guys, my name is Quina and welcome to my channel. So in this first video, I am going to be showing you guys my new laptop, and yeah, let's just get started. But before that, make sure for you guys to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I posted a new video. And don't forget to like. So just a little story. My school is in SD Karisma, no, not SD anymore. Okay, just say Karisma Bangsa. And then the SMP government, they gave me a new laptop. So here is the laptop. It's not a MacBook, but it is a Chromebook Acer. So we're gonna be unboxing that today. And so yeah, first of all, I'm gonna be opening the little essentials that they give us. So here's the first essential. This is the bag for the Chromebook. So it's just like plain, what do you call this thing? Gray? Dusty gray? I don't know. And then there's this. It's our logo. It looks like Corona, but yeah. And then it says the name of the school and the website. And they also gave a hand sanitizer. This is so cool. And inside, there's like about 3 pockets. Let me show you guys. So here's what it looks like. And then here's what it looks like at the back. Whoops. Here you go. Here's the inside. As you guys can see, there's 3 slots. Actually 4. The one is in the front. And the trunk. It's not actually the trunk. Okay. So here's the side. I think that I'm going to be putting like my notebook, and some pencils and pens. And then so this is the slot for the laptop. I don't know if it's in here or in the back. I'm not sure. Then this is like for the charger, stuff like that. And yeah, now moving on to the Chromebook. Okay guys, so here's the laptop. I've opened it already in my TikTok video. Don't forget to check out my TikTok. But I don't post it. I only post it for myself. I don't do publicly. And my account is private, so better follow me. And so here's the box. And this is the top part. It's just sealed like this. And then going inside, oh my gosh, there's another another box. And this is just fine. Like, wait, let me help my brother. Okay, so let's get moving on to the second layer. Let's put the second layer out. Just like that. Okay. So it has Acer logo again. Oops, my phone. And then it says Chromebook. And then down there, it's just a QR code. So here's how you open it. Is there the sealy thing? Seal-y, not silly, but seal-y. Seal. Yeah, sure. Okay, so let's start opening it. Just pull it out like that. Ta-da! Okay, you can't see it. But here it is. And this is the laptop. So let's go to the charger first on the very side. It's so hard and I'm struggling. Dude. Okay, so here's the charger side. We have this, I don't know about charger wire stuff. And yeah, that is what in there. And then kita langsung ke enggak sih, ini jadi ada kayak guidebook. Ini cara ngeluarin stylusnya. dan cara masukinnya of course. Terus ini juga ada guidebook, I suppose. Yeah. And then I don't know. Oh yeah, it says kartu garansi, warranty registration card. That's in English. And then there's the setup guide. And yeah, that's all for the paperwork. And I'll put it in the box again. I don't want it to be lost. Okay. My phone again. Then we have this. This is the laptop in here. So, oops. Okay guys, so here's the laptop. And there's this stuff to protect the sides. So let's open one side and another. Let's put it on the side right there. And then there's a bag. And inside is the chromebook. Ta-da! Rat-ta-ta-ta. Oh. Get off. Get off. Oh, thank you. Okay, so let's get opening it. Okay, so here is what it looks like outside. There's like these lines. Textures different, like and then the Acer logo and the Chrome logo. And then this color is called shale black, if I'm not mistaken. And then so let's just get into it. Hey guys, so here it is. Hello. And they give us these stuff. Let's turn it on. I already set it up. There's my name and my little logo. So let's just put in my password. Okay, I put in the password already. And this is my Google. I have this set up already. By the way, this is a touch screen, guys. As you guys can see. Ta-da! I have the background set up already. I don't know. I think that I'm going to change it. Just go to settings. Or I'm going to open my stylus. It's down here. Ta-da! Okay, so let's see. Device. Touchpad. I'm not sure what is this. Speed. Set it to a little faster. Keyboard. Yeah, much more stuff. By the way, guys, you can also pick your own image. I screenshotted this before. And then I wrote this. My name is Queena. And then blankie. Myself. Whoa. Ta-da. It's just like tester of the camera. And then me and my brother. Oops. Please wait, hold on. Where is that? Personalization. Ooh, okay. That is so cool. Okay. Let me get to there next. Then me and my brother. That's my brother. Not a girl, but a boy. So yeah. I'm gonna just go back to the illustrations and pick this one. And then this one. So this is the change device amount. Oh my gosh. Image. So there's my own picture that I actually made. It's actually my name in Hangul with a rose. And then these are just some other pictures that they give us to pick. There's this. Oh my gosh, it's moving. This is so cool. I like it. Avocado, sushi, elephant, panda. Yeah, stuff like that. I think that I'm going to stick with my own because it's just unique. No one else have it. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this because I really enjoyed this. And so guys, I shut down the laptop already, and I'm going to show you guys how do you put the stylus back in. So it's just down here. There's this hole, and just put the stylus in there. Wait, let me grab my stylus. So guys, yeah, as I told you guys, by the way, I put in the little, I don't know what's it called, just like there's like these stuff to protect the keyboard, I think. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's this thing right here. So you just put it in. By the way, the pen is not that long, not that short. I don't know. I cannot measure stuff. Just put it in like that. And if you put it out, just put your nail in here and then like, boop, pop it out. It's a little bit hard. I like it. And I actually haven't put the laptop in the bag yet. I kind of did, but I put it out again and put it in the box. So let's put it in here. Chop, chop, get up. Okay, so let's put it in, people. Alright. It actually fits in perfectly. I don't know if they custom it or something, but I love it. Thank you, Karisma Bangsa. Thank you, Mom and Dad. And thank you to you guys too, who have stayed tuned this long. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel and turn on the post notification button so you guys will be notified about some you. And then like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Little spoiler in the next video. Nah. Thank you. Bye.